Good morning, everybody. This is a great morning. Look at this view that I have right behind me, and I'm just getting a coffee also. Like, that looks freaking epic. And I love it because they have all these shops just on the side of the road. You can go there, and these shops also have like balconies that you can go, and they bring you food and you can eat there while looking at this view. It's perfect. Soon gonna get breakfast and then gonna go do the swings. Just really happy. Hopefully I can fly the drone because it's getting windy, but hopefully it dies down. But let's just roll some b-roll of the morning b-roll. So look at this. So we are in what is called Ghost Palace. They say this used to be a hotel, but then for some reason it got vacant all of a sudden. I think the people that were coming here were about to get seized or get taken by the government. They just left everything as it is. Like, look at this. You know what? Let's roll some creepy B-roll. Cool, so we just finished the creepy part. We're trying to find how to get up to the roof now. So we found some staircases. Look like it, yeah. Okay, so we just finished. We did a whole exploring photo shoot. There's some sick dragons. Now we're heading back to the hotel. Day's done, which means it's time to take all this footage off this camera and the drone, put them into my computer, and start editing them tomorrow. Tomorrow is when I'm officially going to start filming the documentary, putting it all together. Right, I already have the script and how it's all going to go. Starting to line up the interviews. It's going to be really exciting. And what do I also have planned? I'm planning to go to Monkey Forest. I have to go to Thailand. I'm going to Thailand, but I have to go to the embassy to get my visa, and that's it for now. But of course, if there's anything else I should be doing while I'm in UBUD, hopefully I said that right, just let me know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Like if you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's keep growing this community. Later.